Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix PS5 controller drift, analog stick drift. So to do that, you have to restart your controller. So turn off your PS5 console, then locate the reset button, a small hole on the back of the controller, then use a pin or a paper clip to press and hold the button for 5 seconds, then turn on your PS5 and reconnect the controller. Then after that, clean the analog stick, use a soft cloth or a cotton swab with a isotopic alcohol under the 70% or higher, then gently clean across the base of the analog stick to remove dust or dirt. Then after that, let it dry for a few minutes before testing. Then after that, adjust the dead zone, which is the temporal fix. Open the Fortnite or Call of Duty or other games with controller settings, then go to controller settings, then click on dead zone, increase the dead zone value slightly to reduce drift. Then after that, update the controller firmware, then connect the controller to PS5 with a USB cable. So go to settings. Under settings, click on accessories. Under accessories, click on controller, then select update controller if an update is available. Then open and fix the joysticks, which is the advanced fix. Then if drift persists, the issue may be hardware related. You can just open the controller and replace. You can open the controller and replace the joystick model, then take the controller to Sony support for repair. And if you are still under warrant, you can contact Sony for a free replacement if you are under warrant. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.